All right, ladies and gentlemen, today I will be showing you how to make Lysol wipes or disinfecting wipes out of most of your common household cleaning products. So here we have a few of the cleaning products that will essentially kill the coronavirus and many other bacteria and viruses that may be around your home. So we have some Lysol, some actual disinfecting wipes, but I know you guys probably don't have these. We got some 409 antibacterial, and most of them will say antibacterial, that will kill the virus. Clorox, a Clorox again, a gel cleaner. This is Comet bathroom cleaner, and this is like $1 bleach you can buy at any Walmart, and you can buy this in the gallons. Same thing that you use for your clothes. So the next thing you want to do is you essentially won't have wipes, so you want to go out and find makeup remover wipes or even baby wipes. I think will be a great idea. So if you get your hand on anything like that, or maybe like a sturdy paper towel, but essentially these will do the best job because they will hold up the test of time. So you know, you're gonna keep them in your container, of course. So so today I'm gonna use just the basic cleaner with bleach that everybody should have. This is just a little bit of bleach diluted with water, and that should make it a whole lot more safe on the surfaces. So essentially you want to just mix it about half with water and half in bleach, and then put it in a container. Don't go too crazy on it because you're gonna have to later strain this fluid out. And then you want to go ahead and drop as many wipes as you need. For this example, we're gonna only use a few. And then once you're in there soaking with the solution, you can leave them in there for, I'd say, 10 minutes. Let them soak up all the contents of the bleach, and then we're gonna proceed to the next step. All right, once you have 10 minutes, your 10 minutes have passed, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and strain out the remaining liquid inside the wipes after they soaked up all the bleach. So we'll go ahead and just find another container. You can use a strainer, or you can just hold the towels back with a glove. I recommend using a glove. And there you go, give them a little squeeze so they're not too wet. Set your bleach aside. You can use this for another application. And then once you got your wipes all nice in here, then you want to go ahead and close them off. And there you go. That's how you make this your own disinfecting wipes without having to go crazy in the store waiting for some. Now, I do want to give a disclaimer that if you're using the bleach for your solution to make your disinfecting wipes, please only limit the use to faucets, kitchen counters, sinks, door handles. I would recommend keeping it away from from furniture or even kids' toys, because it might be a little strong. But for solutions like that, like tables like this, kids' toys, I would recommend using something like a Lysol disinfectant, which will not be as strong as bleach, but it definitely will do the job. That, even the 409 works great. And basically every form of Lysol or Clorox cleanup will do a good job on tables and even kitchen tables, softer materials. But if you definitely want to go with full strength, you go ahead and do the bleach. And I would recommend watering it down a little bit so it's not so potent. Okay, guys, that's how you do it. Thanks so much for watching. Any other questions or suggestions about what type of wipes we could use, please comment below. Thanks for watching.